Hey, what's going on, y'all? This is the Multiple Stream King, Derek Williams, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full family. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Listen, real quick, y'all know what time it is when you see me. Take a sip of water, you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Never tastes better. Out here doing a little work in my garage right now, man. Had to get away from the family, just get a little quiet time and get to work. And I have to show y'all these 2 weeks results, y'all. So listen, no way, shape, form, and fashion, okay, is myEcon a scam, and I have proof to show you, okay? Anytime people hear about things new or things on the internet, you know, I want to call it the employee mindset is to call it a scam because it's out the norm. It's not something you're used to. But listen, these are real results. I want to show you the results real quick. 1 second. Okay, so right now I'm in my back office. All right, give me just a second. I'm going to click on commission check history. Okay, as you can see, that's my name right there. All right, this goes the second week payout. All right, $636.50. All right, we scroll our way down to the bottom. You will see $799.30. That's within 2 weeks, you all. That's within 2 weeks. Derek Williams, okay, pay ending on 7/20. Today is July 27th. All right, so this is everything that happened last week. That simple, y'all. Listen, I'm going to tell you something now, okay? I have never seen anything like this movement, you all. And I get super duper excited the more and more I educate myself on the compensation plan because what you're seeing right now is upfront commissions. You all don't know the residual income that comes attached with this, man. It's literally life changing. And what we're doing right now, this is literally going to set me up, all right, for 6 or 7 figures, okay? 6 and 7 figures. You can guarantee. Listen, I don't like to guarantee stuff, but listen, staying consistent with this company, I can guarantee you I'm going to hit 6 figures. All right, I can't guarantee you your success because I don't know what you're going to put into it. Okay, but I know what I'm going to put into it. I'm going to show you something else to show you how we're not playing with this thing and how you want to get involved with the Paid in Full family. Listen, we are grinding our butts off right now, man. We're having fun doing it. As you all see from all of my YouTube videos, I like to have a good time, man. I don't like to sit and be tight, you know, and just, you know, put too much pressure on what I'm doing. I'm having a good time, and man, and I'm enjoying this business, man, and everything in it. So I'm going to show you all a few other things, man, real quick. Just want to show you an email I received today from myEcon that really fired me up, and it just goes to show, man, that what I'm doing right now and what my team is doing right now, we are setting ourselves up for some major success. So check this out real quick. Let me pull it up this way. All right, watch this. Watch this. 1 second. Congratulations, Derek. 21 new associates have been assigned to your base shop. 21 new associates have been assigned to your base shop. That was sent today, over 2 hours ago. Listen here. Once you all get involved and you understand what the base shop is, that's money. And that's where your residual is coming from. So I have 21 people in my base shop where my residual income will be coming from. All right. And I still have the potential to keep growing. If I wanted to stop right now and do not, you know, recruit another soul, I would be good to go and sit to create a 6-figure income for myself just because I'm helping my team. All right. I'm one of those ones that I don't want to sit down though. I want to keep working. I want to keep grinding. I want to keep building and adding to the team. So I'm not stopping. But I literally have people saying, man, you right now are in position, all right, to set yourself up for 6 figures within the next 8 to 12 months. All right. And I'm like, that's all fine and dandy, but I'm not stopping. I'm grinding, man. I'm having a great time with this company, having a great time with this opportunity because what we have to offer. You are like, I'm actually making sales from people who who care less about the opportunity. They just want the product and services. Like we're here, we actually can repair our credit for $34.95 a month. Sign me up. Sign me up. Where's the link? Like I've been looking something for this, man, because I know people who spend thousands of dollars to get their credit done, and it's taking forever. If I can do it myself and learn it myself, why not? I don't even have any interest on promoting the product. And I've told these individuals, if you do, all right, I understand you want the product. Congratulations. Here's the link. If for whatever reason you change your mind and say, you know what, I want to get involved with the opportunity. All right. I told these individuals to reach out to me. All right. And I will add them to my private Facebook training group and I will show them how they can add an extra income on top of it. But they all understand now that, you know, cash is king, but credit is power. Right. Cash is king, but credit is power. And so we have a lot of more people focusing on their credit. So you got to think about it. If you're saying, you know what, should I get involved with this opportunity? Absolutely. How many people you know want to fix their credit? How many people you know want to get a raise on their job just by adjusting their W-4? Okay, like this is the secrets of the rich that we have inside this opportunity. And I'm just getting more and more fired up, you all. $800 within 2 weeks, and I'm just getting warmed up. I talked to one of the leaders. He was like, man, I see you, bro. You are pushing. Congratulations on your success thus far. I was like, yeah, I appreciate that, but I'm nowhere where I want to be yet, man. I said, I'm just getting warmed up. I'm fired up, man. I'm hungry, and I'm just getting warmed up. So I'm telling you, man, if you're looking to get involved with myEcon, okay, and if you might see a little sweat out here, I did it on purpose, man, because I'm just hyped. I didn't want to be in the air conditioning. I want to get outside, get away, and just, release some of this energy, man. I'm fired up. This is the opportunity of a lifetime, and you definitely want to get involved. Don't sleep on this, all right? Don't wait. It's July, okay? We still got a good, 5 months and some change, okay, until 2019 hits. That's plenty enough time to put yourself in position, all right, to make a great income and change your family's life, all right? And going into 2019, really to take over and take charge, okay? I can promise you this, all right? You will be kicking yourself in the butt if you do not get involved. All right, because you're going to see success stories after success stories, because you all know I'm going to share. All right, I'm going to share. I'm going to show the proof. I'm going to let you all know what's going on. I'm going to share the success of my team. I'm going to share you all my credit history as it rises. And I'm going to share with you all, just my story in general. All right, this is a phenomenal opportunity. I haven't seen anything like it. And I'm telling you, the compensation plan, man, I will match it up with anyone's. All right, I will match it up with anyone's. I'm going to do another video here soon just showing you this one piece of the compensation plan that really just blows me away. Like, the compensation plan itself alone is crazy, but it's just one piece of the compensation plan, man. When it speaks on the residual income and how it piles up and compounds, I can see why this opportunity you all have created millionaires. I can see why. I can see why this opportunity has created millionaires inside of this company, multiple millionaires, all right? Multiple six-figure earners, all right? No income claims, okay? Listen, being an independent business owner, all right, with myEcon requires work. Results are not typical, all right? You can get in this thing and try to market and don't make any sales at all, all right? But listen, don't be typical. Get in this thing and grind and get around some people that's going to support you and push you and help you get to the next level. See, the thing about P&F, when you hear me say paid in full family, I mean that. This is a family organization. There's a reason why people are, connecting with me, and we're grinding and we're growing together. This is just the beginning, you all. This is just the beginning. I heard so much people that reached out to me back when I was pushing MCA hard and said, man, I wish I would have joined you. Listen, right now you have time. There's a lot of people that are looking to see who should they join in myEcon. Listen, just get in. All right. But if you do come in with the PNF team, I can assure you this, we're running with the runners. All right. So if you're ambitious and you're grinding and you really put in some work, listen, I'll back you. Okay. You come in and work hard, I'll back you. Okay. I got your back because this is a family. All right. We are working and grinding together. Okay. But whoever you decide to join, all right, just get in this thing and take it serious, man. Don't quit. Don't allow the start to stop you. Get in this thing, grind, give it your all, man. Something good is going to come out of it. All right. Something good is going to come out of it. Whatever you do, man, just get involved in myEcon to change your financial situation, not only for yourself, but for your family and friends. Let me say this before I get off, just to backdoor that. All right. I've never been a part of an opportunity where I want my family and friends to get involved. Like I normally promote, and I tell people, you know what, we don't solicit to family and friends. All right. We're going towards the strangers. Okay, we rather get strangers to get involved with our business because, as they say, strangers will celebrate you for family and friends will. Well, with this, I've been reaching out to family and friends, and once they see what it is, they want it. All right, I got family and friends that are now involved. Like one conversation, don't have to hound them, beg them, nothing. I just want to share something with you all. You might want to take a look at this because I'm about to take off and I'm taking it to the next level. Either you do it or you don't. Okay, but I'm telling you, it's big. They look at it, it's a done deal. All right, I got a team member on my team right now, reached out to his family members. He said he got 12 family members that's trying to get started. That's how big this is, all right? So listen, before I get out here and pass out, man, I just want to tell y'all now, if you ain't clicked on the link by now, click on the link. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel by now, subscribe. All right, subscribe to my YouTube channel, man. Click that bell so you get a notification every time I speak on what I'm doing. Listen, we are having a blast. We are growing by the day, by the hour. I'm having a blast. Everyone in myEcon is having a blast. We making money, man, and we are changing our lives, man, in more ways than one. So listen, with that being said, I've said enough, all right? I'm sweating my tail out right now, as you cannot tell, all right? But to go take a shower and get back to work, get back in front of my laptop, get back in front of my computer, get back on my phone and make some more phone calls and make some more follow-ups to all the serious people that's trying to get involved, man, and make some money, man. So if that's you, what you waiting on? Click on the link below, man, and I'll see y'all on the inside.